pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey Gems, it's Karen. I am so excited. I got a day or two ago my AIA beauty bundle. If you don't know what that is, it's the American Influencer Awards beauty bundle. So it's all about like influencers and their favorite products. So I'm super excited for this. So if you're new, sit down, hang out, pull up a seat, grab some coffee, and let's open her up. Let me see. Do I need to fix this a little bit? All right. Woo, excited. Oh, she's $34.99 a month, bi-monthly. And I think this is October and November. So let me see. Oh, there's a mask in here. Okay. Hey, gorgeous. I have poured my heart into Give Them La La Beauty, and I am beyond happy to share this bundle with you. I have hand-selected some of my favorite products for you all to try and feel the beauty that you each deserve. Ooh, okay. So these are her favorite items and the cost. I think there's a palette in here. Woo! You know how we like getting palettes. Okay, here's what she looks like. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, so there's a mask, which is cool because, you know, I'll be using these masks. Made in China, of course. Oh, it's like vinyl, but it's cute. Okay, cool. I like it. And then we have 3 lipsticks and then a lip oil. Get out of town. And then we've got a palette. All right, let me see. Send Nudes. That is the name of this. Ooh. It says Give Them Lala Beauty. Almost, okay, it's like a marble kind of thing. Let me open her up. I've got a lot of nude lips, so I'm going to save this, I think, for a giveaway. But let's see what the other ones are. I love you. I do love you, but that's the name of this color right here. All right. Are these matte lipsticks? Cream. Oh, not for me. No. Nope. Giving that one away. Nope. All right. Let's see. Third one's a charm. Oh, that's the lip quencher. We're going to open that one at the end. What's the last one? Trippin'. She be trippin'. I was tripping. If you guys saw my last video, FedEx was cursed us out for nothing. Yeah. Okay, these have a $16 value. See, I have a lot of these. I may want to keep this one. We will see, but I'm definitely going to do a giveaway on those. All right. Now let's see what the lip oil is. Oh, okay. I've got lots of these as well. Ooh, there's a nice pretty scent. Ooh, I'm liking. Okay. So 3 liquid lips. 3 of them. Let's see this one again. You got your nudes, your pinkish, and your red. And that's like an orange kind of red, so that's totally not going to work for me. But let's take a look at this palette. Look at the packaging. That's cute. Ooh, it's heavy. My goodness. All right, so the lipsticks were $16 each. Lip oil was $18. The mask was $12. Guess it costs a lot to customize masks. Give Them La La Beauty. This is made in China. 12-month expiration, cruelty-free. Let's see what she's all about. Ooh. We got so many nude palettes. I think I need to do a giveaway. I have so many nudes, so many similar colors. Naked, Baby Maker, One Night Stand. Nice names. And it has a mirror. All right, guys, I'm going to just give this box away. What does everybody think? Yeah? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. This will be open internationally. And I haven't touched any of the products, so you're good there. You must be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. Leave me a way to get in touch with you. Comments, enter me, and this video, as soon as it uploads, that's when the giveaway will start. And then in the description box down below, that is when you will you'll see the end date. I'm gonna keep the mask though. I'll give you guys everything else. I'm gonna keep the mask. Which I already got dirty. So if any questions at all whatsoever about this giveaway, put them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave me a way to get in contact with you and say enter me. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. This is just, I'll be honest with you, I've got the Natasha Nadine, I have the Madison Beer, I've got so many palettes right now that I just feel like blessing you. So let's do this. And comment below and I'll see you guys real soon picking a winner. Bye.